Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing another resin beach tutorial, but this time on a very pretty wooden box. I made sure to put painter's tape around the edge of the box so nothing drips down off the sides. Then I went ahead and mixed up some Artworks resin and separated it into a few different cups. This cup has some beige beach sand in it. I just mixed the resin with it to thoroughly coat it, and now I'm going to spread it out on the bottom portion of the box lid. I also mixed up 3 different color blues, a very dark navy blue, a medium blue, and a light turquoise blue. So I'm going to start with the very dark blue on the top portion of the lid and just spread it out with my finger to the edge. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour out the medium blue, and using my finger just spread that and try to blend them together gently. And now I'm pouring out this turquoise color, which is the lightest of the blues, and again just using my finger, just gently pushing the light blue up into the dark blue. Now I'm going to take some clear resin and put that underneath the light blue. And then I'm going to take my white mixture and just put that right underneath the clear. Now I'm going to take this heat gun, and on an angle I'm going to gently blow that white resin up over the clear and into the blues. Now I'm going to take my butane torch and gently go back and forth, popping all of the air bubbles that are in the resin, and also holding it on top of the white a little bit longer, and that's what gives it that frothy cell look to it. I decided that it needed another wave, so I just put another line of white close to the middle, and now I'm just going to blow that one up also. Now just keep playing with it and adding white and blowing that around until you get the look that you desire. Went ahead and added a cute little resin turtle onto the box just to give it some pizzazz, and this is it all dry and in the sun.